Park didn't overpromise anything. If anything, they underpromised.
And the performance is unmatched, the reliability is unmatched, and the customer service.
Bar none customer service. Number one reason why I chose them, number one reason I keep choosing them.
When we're cutting 30 slabs a day, it's huge to be down. We can't afford to be down. My machinery will not stay down because of Park. It won't.
Park Industries machines changed our shop.
That's really what Park has allowed us to do, is to grow into a business rather just than an income.
We've exceeded square footage numbers that I've never thought I was going to hit.
Why didn't we do this, how many years ago? I mean, this is the future.
This machine saved my business.
I can't say anything bad about Park.
Hands down, best investment we ever did.
I'm proud to say that I'm 100% Park Industries.
All of those things right there, and plus they're just beautiful machines.